ребятки! Добро пожаловать на мой канал! Как у вас дела сегодня? Как у вас настроение? Я надеюсь, все хорошо. А сегодня у нас плохая погода. Сегодня был дождь. И я не знаю, почему мне грустно, когда идет дождь. Не знаю. Поэтому сегодня я решила смотреть еще одно видео из «Ну погоди». And finally, I will be watching number 7. Hurrah! This 7th episode of "Ну погоди" was premiered on May 12, 1973. It's super old. And of course, the voice actor for the wolf is Anatoly Papanov, and for the hare is Clara Rumianova. Actually, I have just watched a film of Anatoly Papanov. I was so surprised. And the title is Приятного. It's a very beautiful film, very heartwarming film. Yeah, I was so surprised to see him acting. He's really very talented person. Anyway, let's reminisce the legacy of Anatoly Papanov by watching the series number 7 of "Ну погоди". Итак, начинаем. Soyuzmultfilm. Wow. It's in the sea. Seems like Yanta. His pants is very useful. Oh, Zayat is traveling.
Баю-баюшки-баю.
Ah, he was kicked out. Poor guy.
Чу-чу-чу-чу-чу.
One second. I feel pity for the woman's dog because he was left out because of this wolf. But he's very clever. Okay, let's continue. It's magnet? Oh. Ah! Not again. Ah. Oh my god, you need to get into the ship. It's leaving soon.
Заяц. Зайц. Ну, заяц. Ну, погоди.
Oh! That's a very interesting turn of events. Instead of the wolf, it's the walrus who said this line. It's very funny. La 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 la. Tan tan tan. Okay. He's sailing. What happened? Go! There is Zayat. Ah, there's a storm. Ah, it would fall on the wall. Someone just fell. I think there's a water. I'm very unlucky. That hurts. Again. Oh my god.
Ну, чемодан! Погоди!
It seems like it has life. I think I love the sounds from this cartoon. Oh. Oh, they came face to face. Where's the hair? Wolves are like nocturnal, they can see it in the dark. Oh my god, shipwreck. Oh god. Oh. At least they have they had teamwork. Good job. I think they're friends now. Oh, they're friends now. It's not vegetarian. Wow! I like this episode. Finally, they became friends. Wow. Aww. He didn't mind. Wow, I love this episode. Oh, that was just fair. Don't get mad. Your friends mad.
Заяц.
Pagani. But at least they became friends for a few seconds. Very interesting. So this is, I think, so far is my favorite episode. It's not the funniest one, but they became friends, so I am happy for both of them. It's so beautiful. You know, I admire the perseverance of the wolf and the patience of the hare, and finally, their teamwork. You know, they were enemies, but then in times of trouble, they need to do teamwork, and still happens. They got saved. Some positive things we can get from these cartoons. Anyway guys, I think that's all for now, and I do hope you enjoyed this video, and so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This was Iba sa Pasmaton, paka-paka, Mirabang.